They told me, wake up at 5 a.m., drink lemon water, meditate, take a cold shower, read a book, work out, and boom, success. I tried it for exactly 2.5 days. It sucked. Why most routines fail. Here's the thing. Most of those routines aren't made for you. They're made by people with a totally different life, different schedule, different responsibilities, different energy. You're trying to copy a billionaire's routine while living in a normal human body. That's not fair to you. The guilt trap. And when it doesn't work, you blame yourself. I'm lazy. I have no discipline. I'll never succeed. No. You're just trying to force someone else's system onto your life. That's like wearing someone else's shoes and wondering why your feet hurt. What actually works? Let me tell you what helped me. Something simple, no pain, no hype. 1. Wake up at the same time every day. It doesn't have to be early, just consistent. 2. Drink water. Your brain needs it more than your phone. 3. Pick one goal for the day, just one thing to focus on. That's it. No more expectation games. You don't need to do yoga on a mountain. You don't need to take freezing cold showers. You don't need a perfect morning. You need a real one that works for your life. If you've ever felt bad for not having a perfect routine, you're not alone. You're not lazy. You're just human. Like this video if this helped you breathe a little. And comment, what's one morning habit that actually works for you? Subscribe for more honest animations. No filters, no fake hustle, just real talk.